vikanda kana sumbut kada na viva kolongata ini po. Me marotaka. Kada
Wah, oi.
Atrasados na manduson. Sa di mo masakat sa na kamo na ano ko kuno mga leksyon sa matinto. Dam sa atin na tulungan ako misna.
Buno boy moro tunang buni balu. Head teachers and students, parents and guardians, ladies and gentlemen. Bulaminaka and a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be here at the Nabukaluka District School. The education of young Fijians is a paramount priority for my government and a cause to which I hold a great personal devotion. Some of your students here this morning may be too young to remember, but not so long ago, the halls of schools such as the Nabukaluka District School were occupied only by children whose parents could afford school fees, the cost of transportation, and the cost of textbooks. Some girls and boys, not unlike yourselves, could not afford to sit where you're sitting today. But we've brought these days to an end. School everywhere in Fiji is now free. Textbooks are free. And we cover the cost of travel for students who need that assistance. And as long as I serve you as Prime Minister, I assure you, education will always remain free in this country. These achievements, ladies and gentlemen, along with unprecedented funding to loans and scholarships, have spurred a revolution in education, with record enrollment in primary schools, secondary schools, and tertiary institutions. We have not limited our education agenda to accessibility. It's also about quality. Not only the quality of your curriculum, but the quality of the facilities that house students and teachers. Today, I'm proud to officially open new high-quality quarters for your teachers to call home. With the comfort and security of proper housing, your teachers can focus on what matters most, which is teaching. Instead of spending time worrying about their own well-being, teachers can focus on their work in the classroom. The new energy they bring will be felt by each of their students. Sometimes all it takes is that extra push from a motivated teacher to inspire a passion for maths, sciences, or the arts that stay with a young person for all of their life. For decades, that spark of inspiration was missing from many schools in rural and maritime regions, as their facilities, including teachers' quarters, were noticeably shabbier than schools in urban areas. On top of that, the allowances we paid to remote teachers was much lower than today. As a result, life was made unduly difficult for rural teachers, and the top teaching talent was often siphoned off to the urban schools. Now we are doing things differently. We've allocated an unprecedented $13.8 million towards location allowance for primary and secondary teachers in remote areas. And as of this year, we are including early childhood education teachers in this initiative for the first time ever, with $500,000 for their location allowances. Across all levels of learning, this has been a big step in the right direction when it comes to leveling the playing field in education. Instead of leaving rural communities stuck in the past, we're steadily expanding the network of high-quality educational facilities across the hundreds of rural communities across our nation. Over the past 2 weeks, I've opened projects similar to this at Sawanikula Primary School, Ratuvekoso Primary School, and Dautata District School. And when schools have been damaged in severe cyclones, such as Tropical Cyclone Winston, we're building them back to a stronger cyclone-resilient standard. When it comes to funding that effort, we don't think about whether a school is government-owned or privately owned. We support every school and every student that needs our help. In the Fiji we are seeking to build, educational outcomes will never be defined by circumstances of birth. Whether a young person comes in the heart of Suva or the countryside of Boa or here in Nambukaluka, they will attend classes in modern functional facilities. They will have access to the newest technologies and curriculum that they will be instructed by passionate, knowledgeable, and qualified teachers who are compensated fairly and who live with the security of high-quality housing. The teaching profession today is paying more than ever. It is opening doors of opportunity, and it is being backed by resources and structural reform to improve service delivery. I challenge all Fijian teachers to live up to this support that my government is providing them. We've raised the bar, and we need you to meet it for the sake of Fijian students and Fiji's future. Fiji is a throes of an incredible spate of progress. Our economy is more modern, and we're welcoming new development, technologies, and opportunities, and we need young people who are equipped to carry out progress forward through the coming decades. In the faces of you, our students, I see the future of doctors, lawyers, plumbers, joiners, farmers, teachers, scientists, who will build the Fiji for tomorrow. And I'm very proud to open this latest investment supporting your tremendous potential here at the Nambukaluka District School. Sa chikuna buno wemoro, sa chikuna tulana muni balu, sa chikuna kasibuli liu, kemdo na kasibuli chuna tulana taltala. Kemune na tumbu kemune na doni bisusu. Ni chikuna ngone, sa ambula binaka, imbula binaka na matani sini kuwa. Tomando via todo chikuna kubosa ni pobre binaka na kita pa tulana pa bunua. Nakita ba kichuki na nebo ilisile bang matintu, rambutu ko chikuma nam don delen soso. Dami chikuna tulana komisna, na tulana pa, na tulana roko, ilan dun do sarna nebo ilisile bang matintu. Rachikuna matani chikini kuwa. Wabi binaka taka chikuna nan ramai kinta pa kibo tulana pa bunua. May langi kichuki na nan do songo. Ena matani chikini kuwa, ena Nambukaluka District School. Maro taka walewu, kanto ka walewu nungu may chikumalewe kimni. Ena ano chikuna Bunivalu, na marama toke way maro, Nambukaluka District School na singendai. Nanon rabota buli din na lubenda, usuto ni bingarabi ni nungu matentu kando na chiki na bimbi ni nungu bilu taki, may nabingo na saoti, may adaw chiko may na signi kuwa. Iliw na buli ndo bataw taki tunga nanon ringu na itumtumbo, kaya nandaw ni bisusu. Era buli nga nangone so miraw na nonra iduruduru. Kabuli raw talaga na ibol ni buli. So ang baka verno libam ni era siyang ni Donumaka. Me baka tutupan na baka tutupan ni kay irna mo ni buli entay. So weekend na itambagasi enda sakuluda baglew. Ninda mbiu buli niya siyang ni so miraw na iduruduru kinaya ni buli. Andala ni nongo bilutaki sama mantataki na tolo lebu. Randong karabutu na itumtumbu. Sa singini so ni durduru. Na bol ni buli kina non rai ponto na lubenda. Ung andra pa may ubakan dita kanina balabu nga ni nongo bilutaki ko prime minister. Na siyang ating nga ni kina somi na non rabuli na lubenda. Ano man bakuway na itumtumbu na idurduru ni buli. Kaya may bukin scholarship, may so takapakandua na huli ebiti. Sa tumbo na iwili-wili ni ngone ruduru na primary, sa tumbo na iwili-wili ni ngone ruduru na secondary, kaya na ngole na huli tordaki. Kaya reda talanga mera huli na lubenda, ina pakatangin-tangin de dua. Sa doon metareda kina bika patabuliti, kami tuba kibinaka, na bikor ni huli, na bibol ni huli. Wambimbi na pala ningas ni buli. Kamaro tagin din biyaw na nung may $1 na pala bo ningas ni buli Nambukaluka. Tiko talaga na kaya may $1 na sob ni buli. Yan ang tayo ni kuha. na buli binaka ni libenda baka tau taki talanga non ratigo binaka na kas ni buli ni saraba bali taki binaka na kas ni buli na sulia na yalo bodengo kabukir na kas buli non baka na mata tau dako kina be ba buli di na kai bakila nga na kena binaka or na ngoni buli kalau urai na kena madala ni non rabi toroi na non rabi tabuli di binaka na ngoni buli na buka dei takana lesoni karena tali taka kena mera tomana ena buli tordaki eliu esa ni ba butukan na yalu ni bingarabe na be korni buli ena tunda ko ni korni lew bala tanga ni ya se ni binaga na tuba ni be boli buli kena non da tigu na kasni buli mege kena kuli na bolo lama ni sau ni we ba bal taki soli bira na kasni buli na be ka ngori ndo ba bun na non ra Kota buli di wada na lubenda. Kamu jin teke na mulu muni non roka nongone. Ena ngonongo sabaru teke $5.1 million na dollar. Na ken resaw na kusni buli na bingkarabi na tonda ku ni be korlilo. Na bagingo sa pokoy tom taka na tom talanga na kusni buli na som ni buli. Saboy bota ora na kasi bule na sauni bule na boro taki biro liman rau na undol na dola mera bisa umita kikina na bisa ule we kota mai na no kumatentu ayana somi baka tutu bata ni kasi bule ate buta nga me baka tor taki taki na baka ni bule na be kor ni bule na tonda ko ni be kor lele na madaro sa oti wa lagi dola na paling kasi buli may sabani kula primary school meron to be koso primary school kay do tata district school kung sa tuwa matani kuwa ike na to sa katal tsunga ni enabuso niyo chini baka sing lebu ni baka tatan na kurubuli na tangilang balebu minsan na matantu taratale baka tangin nangin dimina kami raw ni sutawa na tangilang balilebu na kena boy labu tagi na bingkarabing gori isang ni Osea na matentu se korni buli ni matentu se korni buli lotu se korni buli benua bubu na matentu na be korni buli ketanga kena ngoni buli ana nonda benua sa sa na matentu me tarada kena ibu karau ni buli ngandreba me tutu wata na rauka mo buli ni dona ngoni buli suwa kena dona ngoni buli mai mbua se buli nambuka luka mera bule na kor buli minaka mera vanga tanga na be misini bubo me toto bata na be kara bulida karaya londina na gasni buli non rabi karabi ni sara sombi kara maru roi buka minaka non rabi bali na tata ka bang gasni buli na ngonongo sa sombi sara buka minaka sa liu talanga na be katumba ni taka sa $10 be ira na gasni buli sa boro tagi talanga na yaya ni bingkarabi buka gasni buli kena taruba kena bika na bisa uso me baka bina tiki na bingkarabi au sa boleh kemuni tiko na ngasni buli moni baka bina taka na numni bingkarabi me baka na sasanga ni matentu me baka bina taka na baka tangin ng buli sa na makitiko na matentu yun nang garaba sarwa bina na numni o tabuli dira na kaumbula ni bunwa o turangongo kami ni rangone ni bule bako ko merau ni lebu na hunuai lebu na loya lebu na matai na dau ni bisnis na dau tete ke na gasni buli ana loma ni buno we maro kanto kai bia mo mai tigini nomuni na rawata na nomuni tatandra ana vida na mal ni bosongo sa man dola bukina na bole bu ni gasni buli e we maro mina sa bole
dagan kung parang may rat.